Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today I'm reviewing Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Balm. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. This is how the lip balm looks like. It has a clear acrylic packaging. I have my phone. I'm gonna read you guys the claims about this watermelon lip balm. Okay, so it claims it is a 3-in-1 scrub to balm that smooth, hydrates, and is a tint lips with universal pop of color, and it has provide hydration. It is suitable for all skin types, normal, dry combination, and oily skin. And the concern, it targets dryness. So you guys have suffered from dry, cracked lips, not a problem, because it will definitely hydrate the lips, getting rid of all that dryness from your lips. The ingredients it has fruit extract, which has watermelon and blueberry for antioxidants. And it has coconut. It has coconut flour sugar. It's supposed to hydrate and provide physical exfoliation to remove dead skin, because the coconut oil is supposed to moisturize the lips. And the flower deserved AHA extract is a wild pansy inhalant that gently smooth, soften, and hydrates the lips. And this is vegan and cruelty free. It retails for $22 and it's available at Sephora. This is how the watermelon lip pop lip balm looks like. Again, it's a very acrylic packaging. Then you open it, it's like this, and then you just like twist it up just like an ordinary lip balm. And I'm gonna swatch it now. I don't know if you're gonna see anything, but let's see. Yes, you see something. Look. Oh my god, I love this tinted lip balm. Amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna read to you guys the directions from the box. It says to use as an everyday treatment for the lips. Reapply throughout the day and apply 3 coats to build up the color. My honest opinions about this Glow Recipe Watermelon Lip Balm. The first thing I like about is that it gives color to the lips. This is not no ordinary lip balm. You know, certain lip balms just do the hydration on the lips and that's it. This lip balm is tinted. This is a tinted lip balm, and I did exactly what it claimed. The directions on the box, it says apply 3 coats, but I applied like 4 coats on my lips. If you can see the before when I was applying it, and you can see right now, look how tinted. You can see the pinkness, which is amazing. I love the color. The second thing I like about it, though, it really did get rid of the dryness on my lips. Definitely hydrate the lips. When I was applying it, I felt all the creaminess. And next, and find what you want to know, it does has a watermelon scent to it. It's lightly fragrant. Yes, I do feel that this Glow Recipe Watermelon Lip Balm is worth it. Why I feel it's worth it? Because it has clean ingredients in it, and it gives you a tint of color, and it provides hydration onto the lips. Amazing, and it smells amazing. I feel like you want to eat watermelon, but like I said, it's lightly fragrant. So yes, I highly recommend for everyone to get this Glow Recipe Lip Balm, the watermelon. It is amazing. It retails for $22 and it's available at Sephora. Guys, you will thank me later because like I said, when I was applying it, I felt the creaminess and how it instantly got rid of the dryness on my lips rapid. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here over here, and I'll see you in my next video.